Kahit. Let go, let go.
I'll be fine. I hope.
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Just love somebody. When you love somebody. Let's go. Meron akong baril ngayon. Bala check. Putang binigyan ako ni Leon ng baril. Isa lang balang butik. Ayos Ayos List of patients. Na-check ko na ba dito? Check muna natin dito, guys. To love somebody. Open. There are 3 moon, sun, and star.
This
Alright,
looks like
bed.
it leads outside.
It leads outside. Muna tayo sa baba. West wing. Open. I need the card. Okay. Folders marked with recent dates. Tapos mo lagi yan. Yap! Mitchell, Anthony, Lord. Sila yung mga pinatay ko kanina. Smoke them. Oy, herbs! Get the herbs. Damn! Pati yung kinuha eh. Yung pasoy. Oh, shit.
Oh, God.
Who this little bitch?
Who's there?
Oh shit, may katarata ka na.
Is someone there?
Malala na.
I'm sorry if I surprised you.
Ba't siya may notebook tas di naman siya nakakita? Cataracts! Cataracts!
You can't see, can you?
Biya ko ganyan eh.
Who are you?
Was there someone in the other cell?
Why are you in there? Everyone's gone.
Stay away from me!
Are you alright?
Come on, man. Ang dami mo nang nakita, Grace. Nakakita ka na ng abnormal na sobrang laking babae po dahil di ka pa maniniwala na patay na yan?
No. No.
Yun. Takan, may ID na ako.
I'm sorry.
Ain't no sorry in this, be. Ba't parang ang laki ng katawan niya para sa paa niya?
What is happening here?
Some fucked up shit. That's what I know. Yes, sir. Hello, somebody. Hey! Open. Can't use this here. Shit. Ari ko. Okay. Hindi siya infected. Nilaslas yung tenga, yung liig. Bata rin siya. Wala na. Babalikan kita. To love somebody. To love somebody. Medication room. May palabas yan. Op, op, op. Muntikan may makalimutan. 5 piso. Bet. Okay, moving on. Ito tayo dito sa baba. Okay, di na bubuksan. Yun! Come on.